shit that gets niggas. Whoa, I couldn't speak. That's the type of shit that gets niggas killed. My Insta360 is not working right now. But I wanted to talk real quick to all you motherfuckers that just learned how to ride a motorcycle from me. Figured I probably should show you what to do on the streets, right? Wrong! No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna be making a video, not today, I don't think, maybe tomorrow, on how to ride your motorcycle on the street for the first time. That first video was a very basic how to ride a motorcycle. So that's like really just the very basics that you need to even just like get onto a motorcycle. I don't know if I'm the best example, to be honest. That's a cop. Yeah, let's just go ahead and get all the way away from him. The power of the Z900, baby. I love this bike. It's so stupid. It's such a stupidly like, it's way too easy. That's the problem with the Z900. It is way too easy to have way too much fun. It's easy to control because the handlebars are standard. I love it. I love it so much. And then it's got that classic 4-cylinder beauty. The most delicious sound. No, but for real, I love this bike. I love it so much. Time to go. Come on, everybody. Follow me. Time to go to the mall. Oh, that's a cop right there. Oh. I'm just saying, if he turns around, I'm outie. I'm so outro. That was a stupid place to do that. The police station's right there. Oh man. They don't have to take me very far to lock me away. But yeah, man, we could just walk to the police station from here if you want. That's why you don't do stupid shit in stupid places. But I guess I haven't learned my lesson. What is this video gonna be about? You may be asking. This video is more of a personal memory of mine. No, but I want to talk about my YouTube, where I see it going, if anywhere. What my goals out of it too. My goals from the YouTube. Now I will say, the most important thing that I want to be able to do is to get more people on motorcycles. Now, I don't think it's for everyone, and I think a lot of people will kill themselves on a motorcycle. Most of me and my friends included. But hey, we did it and we love it. And I think a lot of people could benefit from being on a motorcycle. I really do. I really think that. And I'm in Southern California. Traffic is horrible. It's so dog shit that I'm starting to hope that everyone gets motorcycles just to ease up traffic. Like if everyone rode motorcycles, there'd be little to no traffic. What is that? Is that a 650? A brother? Thing's sick. I think it is a 650, right? Yeah, it is. Nice. Brand new too. Good for you, bro. That thing looks good, man. Good for you. Awesome bike. I might use some of this. I probably won't. But yeah. God, that feels so cool to do. If you guys don't do that, I don't think you're riding a sport bike. That's all I'm saying. I love you.